Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Income elasticity of demand measures how quantity changes when income shifts. We will solve this golf ball problem quickly using the standard percentage change formula. First, we calculate the percentage change in quantity. Tom went from 10 to 12 balls, which is a 2-unit increase. Dividing 2 by 10 gives us a 20% increase. Next, we find the percentage change in income. His income rose from $100 to $120. That $20 gain over the original 100 is exactly a 20% rise. Finally, divide the 20% quantity change by the 20% income change. This equals 1, meaning golf balls are a normal good. Well done! Scan now. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps to ensure you always find the right answer.